Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to create your own player. To create your own player, let's go to settings and next enter create player. Select male or female. Select avatar. And now enter first name, last name, nickname, commentary name, kit number, country, region, team, birth of year, year of birth, birth month and birthday. Then select athletics, position, role and preferred foot. In the end, you can adjust attributes. Next, you can adjust heads, and you can edit them. In the end, you can change kit and celebrations. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.